Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can protect your system from blue screen error. So here you can see this blue screen error is not allowing our system to boot normally and our system is restarting automatically. So now we will restore our system through our system image backup which we had taken few days back. We restarted our system and booted it through a bootable Windows 7 pen drive. Here press F9 to select boot option. Drop down and select the bootable media, which is a pen drive. Here you have to press enter. You have to press on next button. Now click on repair your computer. Now system recovery utility is searching for our backup image which we had kept in the D drive of the system. Here we selected the second option. Now this utility has detected a system image backup in D drive. Select the image location. Press on next button and finish to start the system image restoration process. This restoration process will take few minutes, so wait until it finishes. So here you can see our system has restored successfully and it is logged in now. So this is how you can protect your system from blue screen error. So now I will show you how you can take system image backup to protect your system from blue screen error in future. Now go to start, type backup and search option. Now click on create a system image backup. Here you have to select the destination drive. We have selected D drive. Please make sure it should have a sufficient space to take the system image backup. Press on next button and the backup will start automatically. So here this utility is asking you to create a system repair disk which can help you to boot your system. So here our system image backup has completed. So this is how you can protect your system from blue screen error. Prevention is always better than cure.